Have you all got the gist of it yet? Are you done being fucked over by the state and the government? Are you tired of being homeless? Are you tired of them putting you in shelters that have nothing and then kick you out early in the morning and tell you can't go back until late at night in inclemented weather? Any of you tired of that fucking bullshit yet? Well, you know, you have rights. They're called rights to life. You have rights to water, shelter, everything, okay? You have the rights to be safe. You have a whole lot of rights that you obviously aren't exercising. Maybe you don't know about them, but if you were paying attention to me, you probably do know about them. You just don't know how to go about it. You're just fucking ignoring it. So if it comes to that, then it's your own damn fault because you've been warned and you've been told. Now, if you are seriously tired of it, I myself am filing and did file protection from harassment and abuse, and I requested in my comments to the judge against the Attorney General in the state of Maine and the state of Vermont that I want them to have to provide for me. Why? Because it's their obligation. We are in charge of the government in the state. So why aren't we standing the fuck up? Why is it only me? But y'all are hating on me for doing shit that's right. Why is them house got burned? Because y'all couldn't stand the fact that I came forward and told the fucking truths about you and you let your skeletons out of the closet, which I'm good with that. Because where that leads to? That leads to more of an investigation to the town of Anson. Why? Because, you see, my uncle was last known to be behind bars, okay, because of a false statement, fictitious reports, and everything else. And with that being said, knowing that his shit was moved out of his apartment in Waterville months ago, who was it that signed at that address? We know it wasn't Tiger, or was it? Because Tiger doesn't live at that address. Neither does my uncle. So who signed that paper? And then the signature of the notary, the woman at the court said it was like she couldn't barely make it out because it was just scribbled. So that goes to tell you. And then there's somebody out here going under Jenny Doe with pictures of me from the past where I had been either with my green car in Florida or whatever, but they're not telling the future. So why are you even fucking stalking me, you retarded motherfuckers? Okay? So knowing that, I've reported it to Facebook and I've reported it to the police because why? I'm done playing with your bullshit. All right, so I'm going to just, instead of starting more civil action, I'm filing criminal action against everybody. You see, in the state of Maine, when I submit a report, there's a mission statement. And if you violate that mission statement by not assisting me to provide protection, then I'm going to sue you. Okay? And that goes for the government and the state. So knowing that I've been done wrong and my family's been done wrong and they're still harassing and bullying and torturing my daughter, I filed on behalf of her as well. And with that being said, I make it known, Laura Wilson, Esquire, out of Guildhall, Vermont, do not, in my opinion, do not ever let her represent you. No, she's a conflict of interest. Any court-appointed attorney is a conflict of interest because they are overseen by your attorney general through the legal aid system. Do you not get that? Anybody that gets a court-appointed attorney, make them get an attorney for you, would be my suggestion, that's not paid by the attorney general because there's deals. It's called dealing with the fucking devil. Do you not understand? The devil and his disciples in human form in that courtroom against you. That's not only my opinion, but if you pay attention to what's going on, you're going to see. And if you don't believe me, you should Google. Get off Facebook now and Google it. The information will tell you. The Attorney General of the state oversees the police force, oversees the legal aid, and the court system. So there you have it. The reason why my daughter is being vulnerably abused, neglected, and put out in the cold at the hands of the state of Vermont. Obvious. It seems to me that it's a way. They know her medical condition. They're trying to kill her just like they tried me. Okay? It didn't work, though. We're stronger than that. So all I'm going to say is anybody that gets court-appointed pretender, defender, whatever you want to call them, I say conflict of interest. And it is. And it's also a conflict of interest if you being the client have requested that your court-appointed pretender do something or get the information you need, say something on your behalf, prove your innocence, and they try to go around it and say that, oh, well, you should do this. If they want to continue to put their suggestions out there and not yours, that's a conflict of interest. Get rid of them. They're no fucking good. My opinion, but you take it at what it's worth. Have a great day.